It's a 2015 Cadillac SRX. Dramatic elegance and sophistication for your everyday. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, active noise cancellation, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection observes, inside the look is uniquely American, and the hand-cut and sewn coverings on the instrument panel and ambient lighting make for a rich environment. Cadillac, second to none. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.